Hi everyone, my name is Min and I'm currently a 12th grade student in Trần Đại Nghĩa High School for the Gifted in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. And with the concern for the environment in my local place and the desire to incorporate my passion in physics and science, I've made a product called water monitoring machine, which, like its name, can help us to examine the water conditions, especially the wastewater. So let's look closer into it. So let's get into the hardware of my product. And we will monitor three different categories of water, with each will be using a different sensor. First, we have the TDS meter over here to monitor the total dissolved solid in water. This is a very important sector of water because a high level of TDS means that the water might contain some harmful substances like heavy metals or even pesticides. Next, we also have the pH sensor, which is connected to the little piece over here. And pH is also vital because it's going to affect the survival of some species in the environment or influence the availability of some chemical in the water like nutrients or heavy metals. Finally, we have the temperature sensor to measure the temperature in the liquid. Temperature is obviously another important aspect due to its impact on aquatic life, chemical processes, and even human water use. All the three data from the three sensors will be connected and sent to the device called ESP32 over here. And it would further display the information on the online website, so that device could be called the IoT project. And to supply the energy for the whole product, we will rely on the batteries over here, which would be charged by the solar energy provided by the solar panel placed outside. The batteries are linked up with the panel through this device called solar charge controller over here. And that's all about the hardware of the product. So let's get into assembling it. So as you can see here, these are the data that I've collected from my machine. First of all, we have pH level. You can see the red line here showing the variations of the pH in the water. Secondly, we have the total dissolved solid measured in parts per million. And we also have the numbers here, as you can see. And finally, we have the temperature measured in degrees Celsius. And you can also see the graph of its variation. So from the data that I've collected, I believe that it could be a valuable resources for us normal people or even the government to take reasonable measures to improve the water quality. And with my product, I hope that I could be a part of the progress that could make the environment or to help the society in where I'm living and contribute a small part to the bigger progress of protecting the environment in general. Thank you for your listening.